All right, guys, we got the big 2.4 hours of LeMullets presented by Black Rifle Coffee next week, November 14th, here at the Freedom Factory. This is our 2-driver race, and it's on the kidney bean, so you know it's the most action of the year. We're probably going to end up with a lot of destroyed Crown Vics. We have an absolutely stacked drivers list. Look at this list of drivers. We got people coming out from all over the world to make this one happen. It's going to be great. Like I said, all presented by Black Rifle Coffee. We love those guys. We love their products. So it's going to be an absolutely excellent weekend next weekend. We still have a bunch of tickets on sale for Friday, November 14th for the actual Crown Vic race, and tickets for the Burnout competition on Saturday, Burnout Rivals. So if you still want to come to the Freedom Factory, quite a few tickets available. There is a link in the description below. They will go fast. I'm sure it will be sold out, but grab them while you can. And if you watch on Freedom Plus at home too, you know you're getting in on the Cadillac giveaway. So it's a win-win. All right, let's hit up this list. I got to do my predictions. Obviously, you guys know they're incredibly accurate a lot. And it's just James
almost every time.
Almost every time. They're perfect. It's just Jackson and I, so I can get lethal with these predictions.
Yeah, they're going to be brutal.
George ain't here to judge me. We'll start off with Weston Champlin and Kyle Douglas. Kyle's the Australian burnout guy. Can he turn? That's tough to say. Weston's actually good now at driving Crown Vics.
That's a tough start. That's going to set the pace for the whole list.
I mean, I'm still putting him. You know what, Weston though? If Weston goes second, they have a chance. I'll put him down here, 11.
Oh, middle of the pack.
I mean, I feel like that's reasonable.
Yeah, not bad.
Ronnie Renner and Blake Wilkie. That's a heater. That's a top 5 team.
Already to number 5.
They're gonna be good.
Oh yeah, but when was the last time Wilkie raced?
It's been a while, but they're good. Like, they're just good drivers. Michael Waltrip and Aaron Plessinger. Dude, AP and Michael Waltrip. What a crazy team, by the way.
Yeah, that's insane.
Michael Waltrip, legend, and then AP, like, professional motocross rider. Wow. I don't know where to put them on the list. Obviously, AP is going to probably go first, and Michael Waltrip could be a pretty good...
It's going to be a race. Man.
No, I'm going 10.
10?
That's just a crazy team, though.
That is wild. What a combo.
Oh, the best. All right. I'm not tooting my own horn here.
I seen who your partner was when that driver's list came out.
Dude, it's me and Carson, host of our Cup Series NASCAR driver, and I'm putting us number 1.
I mean, if you don't win, I'm going to be mad. Because, I mean, he's a driver.
Cleet and Carson. And I'm going first for sure. I'm letting Carson.
Yeah, you definitely got to go first on that one.
All right, Boosted Boy Kyle and PFI Brent. Actually good. Dude, if Kyle, I mean, Brent's the killer on that team. If Brent goes second.
Kyle's got to go first.
All right. Oh, dude. All right, Jim York and Ethan from Grind Hard. That's actually a good team. I'll put them here. Jim, Ethan.
Yeah, shockingly, Jim didn't do half bad last race.
He's getting there. Tom Bailey and Cameron Johnson. Sorry, boys.
Ooh, number 15.
Sorry, boys.
Can build a race car.
Love you guys.
Could drive a fast car in a straight line.
All drag race on that crew. Kevin Smith and Taylor Ray.
That's
definitely
a wild card team right there.
You're gonna love who I have second. Because it's all he can do.
I know where this is going.
We got Squirrel and Greg Biffle on a team. And Biffle has had second place the last 2 Crown Vic races.
Yeah, he is. So, I mean, do you think that comes from retirement?
It's just he's in retirement.
You retire and boom, second place, all you're good for.
It's going to be tough. Especially with Squirrel on his team. If he even has a car to drive by the second half of the race. JH Diesel and Greg A. I have not met Greg A. I know of him. Is he a driver? Unsure. JH is pretty good.
Yeah, but he won, and then hasn't done great since.
It's like he lost his confidence.
He lost his touch. His luck ran out when he used it for the win.
The Diesel boys down here. Because Greg's going to go first, and it's Unclear if their car is even going to make it.
Make it to the second heat.
Matt from Matt's Off Road and Robbie Layton. I love those boys. But they're off-road drivers.
Yeah.
They get on the asphalt.
They just
All hell
cruise.
breaks loose.
They just cruise or crash. You know, that's two speeds they got.
Oof.
Ooh. The lowest one on the list so far.
Ooh, I
At
feel
number
bad.
16.
I feel bad. I love those dudes. Oh, man. All right. Travis Pastrana and a mystery driver.
Yeah, what's with the mystery?
I've heard some names, but I don't know if any are...
Well, if you heard names, this will tell it all right here where you put them.
He came to the Freedom 500 and won.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do Pastrana right here in 6.
So not real strong on the mystery driver, huh?
No, I'm not feeling the mystery driver's a good driver. I'm just feeling like they're average, but they're pretty cool. Gray, Ledbetter, and Banksy. That's, I know Banksy, both of them don't have a ton of experience. We'll put them down here. And then Bucky Lassick and Andy Stumpf.
Not many numbers left.
Bucky's pretty good. All right. Dude. Bucky's, I'm putting him third team. Jack stand high. You're on here.
Yeah, I'm left.
Oh, you're with Victor.
Yeah. It's real tough.
I'm sorry, brother. I'm not.
It's real tough because last Freedom 500, I took third. Vic in the Crown Vic race, or in the Ultimate race, was leading the pack until he wasn't.
I'm going to go ahead and just blame that on Victor. That's got nothing to do with you. So no hard feelings.
Sorry, Vic.
You know what
Our
I
boy's
mean?
not, but
No
we're going to have
hard
to show him.
feelings.
We're going to have to show him, Vic.
Kai Kelly and Disco Dean. I love Kai. I've never met Dean.
Hey, he's got a circle track now, dirt track.
Oh, it's dirt, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, this might be a little different.
Disco Dean, though, I don't know if he
That's
can
what I'm
turn.
saying, dude. Come on.
He can drive in a straight line, but I don't know if old
That's what
Disco
I'm saying.
can.
We don't know.
can-
They're both drag racers. I mean, if I could go back, I'd probably swap. I'd put Kai and Dean above Cameron and Tom. But I'm not trying to. No hard feelings.
Yeah,
It's
it's just how it happens.
just they're at the bottom of the list. Here we are. DeBerti and Roman. Who did I miss? Oh, Zach and Ty. Ooh, so I got Zach and Ty and DeBerti and Roman left. I'm probably going right here, Zach and Ty.
Oh, you think they're going to make a comeback?
Yeah. DeBerti. I feel like this is one of my most accurate lists ever. Can someone drop a comment below saying what my accuracy has been on these predictions?
You think it's going to be greater or less than 30%?
Well, obviously, my percentage got a little screwed up when last year I predicted JH to get last and he got first.
Yeah.
Freedom 500. That messed up my scoring. So just don't include that one. That's an outlier. But
From
this
that
year,
race on.
I feel like my predictions have been pretty good. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Black Rifle Coffee, 2.4 hours of LeMullets. Next Friday, November 14th. It's going to be awesome. Clayton Carson, number 1. You know the deal. We'll see you later.